Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Well, it's night, afternoon now. It's sunny night because it's almost 6. No, it's evening. What's wrong?
Yeah.
Nothing is wrong. Can you say hello to the faves?
What's that way?
Nothing, it's just the traffic. Say hello faves.
Hello, face.
Husband?
Hi guys.
You guys, it's a beautiful day to be beautiful, and you guys wondering where's the baby? Look, there she is, strapped in, still very much pregnant. We have 1 full day remain before induced date, so baby girl have 1 day last chance. Yes, Ty?
I do 3 naps.
Not yet. You have 2 more naps to do. You did 1 today. Okay?
Okay.
No, you did 1 last night and you're gonna do 1 today and then 1 tomorrow, okay?
But me, I do 1.
You did 1 already, so you have 2 more to go, okay?
And I do the other 1, 2, number 2.
We're gonna do number 2 tonight, okay?
But I already do number 2.
No, that was just a little nap. Big nap is tonight. That's number 2, okay? So we told him that he have 3 big sleeps to do before baby sister come, because he's really counting down and he's really looking forward to his sister. So as I was saying, we have 1 full day. 2 more, yeah. We have 1 full day remain.
But Mama.
Wait, Tyler, wait. I soon talk to you. Wait, Tyler, soon talk to your pumpkin before baby girl comes. So we're leaving that door open for anything. We don't really want to be out tomorrow if we don't have to. So today we're heading out on the road. I'm not feeling too bad at the moment, but I have my moments when the contractions come, but then they just go away after a while. So we are heading out on the road to have 1 little last moment, just the 3 of us. However, there is one of our Jamaican subscribers that is in the area that we are going to see right now in a few minutes. About 30 minutes drive to go and see her. She and her family is vacationing in our area, so we're gonna see her. We've been chatting up on the phone, and we met on YouTube. She's amazing, and I am going to meet her in person for the first time right now, so that's exciting. That's super cool. I have been just getting not long lost, I've been just making lots of friends and having lots of sisters through my YouTube channel. That is so amazing, especially the Jamaicans that just stay real and stay connected. So I am going to see one of them today, and of course I know she's going to be on the vlog, so you guys will see her because she's awesome. She's super cool. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna spend some time just us. Her baby is not feeling so well, so we're just gonna chill with her for a bit and then we leave. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. We'll take you guys along with us and show you guys our Jamaican savvy, our Jamaican sister, and spend the rest of the evening as a fam bam for 1 last time. So this might be the last vlog you will see before baby girl come, or if you're seeing this on Friday, then it's 1 last vlog before baby girl come. If you're seeing this on Thursday, then you have 1 more vlog to see before baby girl comes. Yes, Ty? but you still have 2 more big sleep to do. Remember we said we have how many big sleep before baby sister come? 3, and you did 1. So how many you have remain?
But it was a big sleep.
Yes, it was. So you have to do 2 more big sleep for mama and papa. The one that you did afternoon wasn't a big sleep, but it was a big sleep. Okay? So you still have to do 2 more big sleep, alright?
So I already do 2 now.
No.
So that means we're gonna do 4.
It was a big, but it wasn't big enough. Okay? Alright? Okay, pumpkin. Alright. Also, the Jamaican girl that I'm gonna see, she's like me, where she lives, she don't really get a lot of Jamaican fruits, and she always fascinated by the Jamaican by the fruits and vegetable store that I go to. So I'm actually making a quick stop there right now to get some, see if I can find some Jamaican fruits for her. She said that she wanted to go there, but I don't think that she'll really get to make the trip because she won't be here for long. So I'm gonna surprise her and see if I can find a few things and carry for her on our way. So let's make a quick stop to the fruits and veg store. We could turn the vlog. Big boy. Big brother. Say hi, Shara. Give her a big hug. Yes. Look at that view. That view is amazing. No, it's the first I'm coming to. Gulf Juan is the first, but I've been to Juan Lepa, I've been to Antibes, just driving through, but I've been to Antibes like touristic things. Yeah. But here is the first. Nice. I think because here and Antibes look the same. Yeah. Is the same kind of feel. You were shouting when I was passing. Yeah, I heard the voice, but right. Yes. So this is my boo boo. Babe. So we're out for a walk.
Yeah, some nice
and they're staying by the port. So we're seeing all these big boats. And of course Tyler abandoned me for Shara. Tyler, say hi to the face.
Mama,
yes, baby.
I want to go in this boat.
No,
This is my favorite.
not today, next day, okay? Alright? He's been asking to go in boat forever. He's gone on boat when he was younger, but since recently he's been telling me, Mama, I want to go on a boat. You'll go on a boat after baby sister is born, okay? Okay? The whole family will go on a boat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Try this one?
Yeah. Marley's putting the carnival.
Yes.
Tyler is on Big Brother duty right now with, with Marley.
Where's my car?
Sit here. You're practicing, Tyler. You talk to her gently. You don't have to shout, okay? She can hear you. Okay? Okay, Pumpkin?
Push your hair over me. No, because
you can share, but tell her don't put it in her mouth. Okay?
Don't put it in your mouth. Just drive it. No. No.
We're actually having some drink with our friends right now.
What did I
So baby's looking at the menu to see which juice to choose. This one? It look lit. I'm gonna taste it. Bailey's my favorite, and there's a Bailey's cocktail on the menu, and I cannot have it because it's alcohol. I'm gonna try pina colada and see if they have it without alcohol. So let's see what we get. Back up is this one, sunshine smoothie with pineapple and mango. Okay. Oh, Tyler, this is all yours.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
I want it, and I want it.
Tu dis quoi?
Merci. And I want it for dessert.
I don't know if you manage that.
This I want to take.
Don't worry, Papa, to the rescue.
I'll take it.
Of course.
No.
Yeah. No. Can you ask Shara sit to play, please? Just a little, because you're gonna have dinner after.
By deduction. Like, I'm the last one, so you have to be me.
Oh, that's babe on. You want this mine? That's mine. I know you wasn't gonna eat this off.
Just give her the...
Oh my gosh! Aww. You give her a hug. Look how excited he is. Oh my gosh, Ty. Oh. Oh. Big brother things, Ty. Put her inside. She soon go inside. The boys come in. Say the boys come in. Put it in the water.
Yes. You're in control. So you have to manage, you know. As baby sister go in the water.
Watch your accident.
Lord Jesus.
Hey, Marley, you'd have reached that dirty water there, is it, girl?
Long time.
Big brother things. Yes, Papa.
You can't even see over the prom yet.
May I tell you? Marley, look, Marley, look. Say hi, peeps. Hi, peeps. The cruise died, no accident. Come. The crew's strolling along the port. Tyler, push it. No, don't go fast. Take your time. Tyler, slow down.
Mama.
No. Crash, you want to crash Marley right now. It's not going to work. You try to push the empty stroller. You guys, we're at dinner, just the three of us. Babe.
Mama.
Yes, babe.
It's getting night. It's getting night, Mama.
Yes, baby, it is nice. Hot? Blowing or something blowing?
Mama, can you put a little bit of mayonnaise on my spaghetti? And one.
Don't put any mayonnaise on your spaghetti.
Why?
You're gonna lose your phone.
Look, you already have
Tyler is already eating. Big boy. Teen Papa. Yay, to the beginnings. That's a view from our dinner. So pretty. Babe? Of course, baby's having pizza. Four different cheese. And I am having fish and fries.
And me, I'm eating 3 things.
Yes, you're eating 3 things. Alright, grab that.
Wait for me.
It's yummy? Hmm? It is hot. Last eating out before baby girl comes. It's yummy. Dig in, husband, dig in.
I want you to take me for a good deal.
Okay. You guys, this fish is so darn good.
What did this do?
After you finish your spaghetti, leave it. Look at your mouth. Let me see your mouth. You want to see your mouth?
Yes.
Sorry.
You need to leave that in our card.
No,
That
I
is
will
something
not.
I'm sure you keep
Like that, you're wicked.
like that. Then we
Anyway.
know the world, we know who you really are. Yes.
The world don't know who I am.
Not this part of you.
You don't burp, I burp. And then I say, excuse me.
This is 50% of you. Yes, my Fiona.
Yes, Shrek.
Yes, my Fiona.
You guys, we are back home. How was your afternoon,
That
honey?
was good. That was
We
good.
had so much fun, and
Thank you.
I met.
Thank you to our host.
Yes, Shara and her husband was amazing, and I finally met my girl. It was really good meeting her finally, and her beautiful family. Tyler fell asleep on his way home. It is now after 11 p.m. I couldn't tell the last time we were out this late for any
feels
reason at
good.
all. Yes, it does. We had dinner. We spent time with Shara and her family.
Robert. Robert.
Robert.
Robert. Is Roberts and
Yes.
Robbie. I think it's a Robert.
Robbie.
Robbie?
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice person.
Yeah, we had fun. Yeah, so that's basically the last family dinner we'll have as the three of us, because tomorrow I'm taking no check to go anywhere. I don't think I'll be leaving the house, and if I do, I won't be going too
You
far.
go to bed at 5 p.m.
I'll go to bed at 5 p.m. to rest enough to push tomorrow when you see
It's
this
gonna be there.
this
Oh,
vlog to push Wednesday.
It's coming real.
It's becoming real. So this is us saying deuces to the end of this vlog, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully there'll be one more vlog before the birth vlog. Just one more.
Rest time now.
Anyway,
We never know when it
guys.
can happen. Rest time now. Bye.
Anyway, you guys, Tyler fell asleep on his way home, so he's in bed, so you guys won't see him. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. Of course, you don't want to miss any vlog. Turn on the notification, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys